Participants, listen. This entire session, okay, is on record. Okay, record பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay, then later on நீங்க யூடியூப்ல பாத்துக்கலாம் என்ன நடந்திருக்குன்னு. Okay then. Okay, all the very best. Criterias you should know. Confident-ஆ பேசுங்க. Concept புரியணும், நீங்க என்ன பேசுறீங்கன்னு புரியணும். Then timing maintain பண்ணணும். Eye contact இருக்கணும். Okay? Okay, let's start. Anu ma'am, openly இருங்க. Okay ma. Standard 5. Meenakshi? Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, unmute yourself. We are ready for you. Good evening. Good evening ma. Ready இருக்கீங்களா? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ready? Oh, okay dear. Your time starts now. Yeah, go ahead.
Respected judges and my dear friends, I am Meenakshi of Kelixan. I am here to share my vision of agriculture in India. 50% of India is populated in agriculture. India ranks second India ranks second worldwide in farm outputs. It contributes 17 to 18% of country GDP. India is a top producer of rice, milk, wheat, groundnuts, pulses, fruits, vegetables, and chickpeas. Indian agriculture is moving towards production-driven enterprise to demand-driven enterprise. To improve the output, we need to improve the seed quality, biotechnologies, precision farming, and farm mechanization. Farmers' profitability can be improved by a proper framework linked to the digital markets. Crop loans can be increased based on their digitalized market and insurance to crops. We should have a visionary agriculture policy to be the world leader in agriculture. Thank you.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you so much. You have taken 1 minute and 56 seconds. Yes, Jeevan, we are ready for you. Your time starts now.
My name is Jeevan and I am going to give you a speech about the future of agriculture in India. When the farmer is rich, the nation is also rich. If the farmer is rich, the nation is also rich. A farmer is a magician who produces money from mud. I can go on and on about how agriculture and farmers are the backbone for this nation. My point is that this is important, that to complement agriculture with the state-of-art technology and provide intelligence that will help in increasing the profit and reduce the losses in agriculture. My point is that this is important. Yes. And will reduce loss in agriculture. And now we go to how the future of agriculture will be. So imagine a farmer using a mobile phone where he can check the monsoon of this season and plan which crop to plant and which one to avoid. Imagine a farmer using applications like Amazon or Flipkart to sell their products directly to their customer online. Imagine farmers who don't rely on a single income but who set up on an integrated farming So even if one of their products fails, the others give them helping hands and hope. In your imagination, if you envisage all the points I said, and then if you believe that this is the future of our agriculture, I believe that India would be one of the strongest, healthiest, richest, and the most fertile land in the world. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Superb, Jivan. Very good, very good. Superb. ஒரு நிமிஷமா வீடியோ இல்லம்மா, எனக்கு வீடியோ உங்க அக்சஸ் வீடியோ இல்ல, எனக்கு உங்களை என்னால பார்க்க முடியல.
Hi everybody, I am going to talk about my vision of agriculture. We all know that the main source of agriculture is food.
ஸ்ரீராம், what happened? டைம் போயிட்டு இருக்குமா? நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோனே நான் இங்க டைம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
We all know that we get food from agriculture. The main source of agriculture is food. In India, the agriculture is a main source of food. We all need food for living.
Yes, Sriram, we all need food for living. That is true.
The second food industry is Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, Sriram, Uttar Pradesh. What is special in Uttar Pradesh, Sriram?
There are more food, rice, wheat, and etc. Thank you.
Okay, we shall move on to standard 6. Standard 6. Surya is not here. Okay, standard 6. Yeah, let's start with Magadi. Magadi, be ready. Okay, Magadi, I'm gonna start my clock. Let me give you the count. All the best, Magadi. Yeah, go.
Hi everyone, most of you already know me. My name is Mahadi Arun. Today I am going to give a speech on my vision in agriculture. Agriculture has existed in India since Vedic times. In fact, it is the mainstream livelihood for more than 2/3 of the workforces. But because of wrong colonial policies, replaced with famine and drought, got us into a food shortage scenario. In the first half of 19th century, Britishers had created a transport infrastructure. After that, there was a boom in export and trade in cash crops, but the area under food grains subsequently shrank due to industrial developments. After independence, a set of research technology took initiative under Green Revolution project, which increased agricultural production. We used HYB, that is, high-yielding varieties of seeds, technical method of irrigation, newer method of cultivation to increase the production of grains. With the advancement of technology and specialized knowledge of agricultural concepts started, and they became self-sufficient and started exporting a surplus to other countries. A farmer is the reason behind we all have good and quality food every day. But nowadays, farmers work very hard and end up with making huge losses and struggling to meet daily needs because of the middlemen. It is our collective responsibility of each and every one of us to support farmers and make sure our future generation eats quality food and live a healthy life. Our family has an agricultural land outside the city, and we follow organic farming to cultivate fruits and vegetables. I wanted to become an agriculturist in the future and try to implement latest technologies and try to become self-sufficient and also serve the society with good and quality agricultural products. Thank you for giving this opportunity to share my vision in agriculture.
Thank you so much, Magadi. Superb, superb, great speech. I'm so glad to hear that one of your ambition is become an agriculturist, right?
Yes, auntie.
ஏதாவது particular reason இருக்கா உங்களுக்கு அதுல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருக்கிறது?
இப்போ வந்து நிறைய ஃபெமைன் ட்ரவுட் ஃபுட் ஷார்ட்டேஜ் ஆகுறதுனால நமக்கு சாப்பாடு நிறைய பேருக்கு இல்லாதனால எனக்கு மற்றவங்களுக்குலாம் ஃபுட் கொடுக்கணும்னு ஆசை ஆண்டி. அதுதான் நான் அக்ரிகல்ச்சரிஸ்ட் ஆகணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறேன்.
ஓ வாவ், சூப்பர் சூப்பர், கிரேட் ஆம்பிஷன் மகதி, சூப்பர்.
தேங்க்யூ ஆண்டி.
கிரேட் விஷன். உங்க விஷன் வந்து ட்ரூ ஆகணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நானு. ட்ரூ ஆகும். ஓகே, சூப்பர்.
தேங்க்யூ ஆண்டி.
தேங்க்யூ மகதி. மகதி இஸ் டைம் டேக்கன் 1 minute and 51 seconds. Thank you, Magadi. Yeah, we're ready for you. Okay, let's me start the count. All the best, Janvi.
Thank you, Auntie.
Go.
Hello, everyone. My name is Janvi, and today I'm here to share my vision of agriculture. India is basically an agriculture-based country. It gets most of its GDP from agriculture sector. Nowadays, the GDP contribution is shifting from agriculture sector to the industrial sector. The expenditure incurred for importing food grains is 3 times more than the expenditure allotted for agriculture. Day by day, the number of farmers are decreasing as the profit is less and the industrial jobs are increasing. This might go well for a few years, but after that, there might be no one opting to go with agriculture. This might lead to various conflicts in the country as it may go without food grains. So in order to balance it, the economic condition and to increase self-sufficiency in food supply, we must practice sustainable agriculture. So my vision is using technology with sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture means that farming with the least impact on the environment. Sustainable agriculture also includes organic farming, crop rotation, seasonal crops, rooftop farming, and drip irrigation. The technology included in this includes using of drones and helicopters to monitor the land, spray fertilizers, using trucks for plowing, sowing, and harvesting the crop. Farmers can get benefit from this facility. Farmers can get benefited by weather forecast issued by the meteorological department, and there is also a toll-free number in which they can receive guidance and suggestions from the government. Thank you.
Okay, Janvi, very good, very good. Okay, may I know the toll-free number?
Auntie,
what is the number? Yes, what is the number, Janvi?
1800
1800
180
180
1551.
1551. 1800 180 1551. Is it?
Yes.
Oh, super. Very informative. Thank you, Janvi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. The time taken is more than 2 minutes. Good job. Okay, ma. Sashwat Nanamaran. Good evening. Ready, Sashwat? Okay, your time starts now.
Good evening, respected judges, parents, and my dear friends. I am Sashwat Tedivaran from 26 Block FE. I am studying in Chennai Public School 5th Standard. Today, I am going to talk about my vision on agriculture in India. Our nation, its culture, ritual, and emotions are based on the fertile land which provides us food and fodder. Agriculture was the backbone of our economy at the time of independence, but various industries coming in, agriculture has begun to lose its charm. Expanding factories and buildings have taken our agriculture lands. The youth of today don't look at agriculture with pride, but I have a vision to bring back greenery to our nation. Yes, it is possible by revolutionary farming method by learning and educating our farmers to follow crop rotation, use organic manure, and provide healthy produce to our people. I will educate my friends about the importance of agriculture. I see a world that appreciates our produce. I see a world that looks at us as a role model. My vision on India has worshipped its farmlands and and and, and treats its farmers with respect. I foresee a nation's farmers who are economically sound. I see a who, generation of youth who take up agriculture as its profession. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sashwat. Good speech. Education is important too. Yeah, learning is always important. Correct? Most of our mistakes வந்து ignorance தான் நடக்குது. Okay.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you so much, Sashwat. Thank you. Okay, Pradanya, we are ready for you. Your time starts now.
Hi everyone, I'm here to deliver a speech about my vision of agriculture in India. I am actually from a family of landlords who protect farmers and lands. In general, the definition of agriculture is running with bullocks, throwing seeds and harvesting crops from a huge plot of land. But it is wrong. Agriculture is hard work and fun. I once did farming. Now, let us see my vision of agriculture in India. Let's start with the government. As everyone says, government has done a lot to farmers, like arranging loans, pesticides and insecticide shops for less money. Farmers are a gift to us. They are equal to God because they give us food. As we know, agriculture in India is the best. I have seen farmers doing agriculture wholeheartedly. Agriculture is not buying huge plots of land. It is how we see it. It starts from our balcony to our backyard. So now let's sow a seed and watch the germination of agriculture in India together. Thank you. This is V. Pradnya signing off. Bye.
Oh, you came from the family of landlords, is it, Pradanya?
Yes, Auntie.
Very good. Very great, sir. That's great. I'm very glad and great. It's great to hear that. Thank you, Pradanya. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Time taken 1 minute and 17 seconds. Thank you, Pradanya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Let me start the timing. Yeah, settle down. All the very best. Yeah, your time starts now.
இந்த உலகின் ஆதித்தொழில் உயிர் வளர்க்கும் உன்னத தொழில் உழவென்னும் உயர் தொழில் பற்றி பேச வந்திருக்கிறது இந்த சின்ன பயிர் நைந்திகா. என் வணக்கத்தையும் என் சொல்லையும் நெல்லாய் உங்கள் நெஞ்சங்களில் விதைக்க வந்துள்ளேன். என் உயிர் வணக்கம். நாம் நவீனம் நாகரிகம் என்ற பெயரில் நம் மண்ணின் பாரம்பரியத்தை நம் பழக்க வழக்கங்களை மாற்றிக்கொள்ள தொடங்கிவிட்டோம். அதன் விளைவு இன்று நாம் சந்திக்கும் புது புது நோய்கள், புது புது மாத்திரைகள் என பற்பல. இந்தியா விவசாய நாடு, விவசாயிகளின் நாடா என வினாக்குறி இதயத்தை வளைக்கிறது. இந்தியாவில் 2 லட்சம் நெல் வகைகள் இருந்ததாக ஒரு ஆய்வு சொல்கிறது. இன்று இருக்கும் வகைகளை விரல் விட்டு எண்ணிவிடலாம். இது இப்படி சுருங்கி போனதுக்கு என்ன காரணம்? தமிழகத்தின் பாரம்பரிய நெல் வகைகள் பற்றி எத்தனை பேருக்கு தெரியும்? வாடன் சம்பா, கலர் சம்பா, மாப்பிள்ளை சம்பா, ஜீரக சம்பா, முடிவு முழங்கி, நவரை, அன்னமழகி என 25 வகைகள் உள்ளன. நடந்தால் வாலி காவேரி என்று இளங்கோ கொண்டாடிய காவேரி தமிழகத்தின் நெற்களஞ்சியத்தின் முதல் ரத்தம் அல்லவா? அந்த காவேரி இன்று சரியாய் நம் மண்ணில் பாய்கிறதா? விவசாய கடன்களால் விவசாயிகள் தற்கொலை செய்து கொள்ள பயிர்களும் செத்து விடுகின்றன. இயற்கை விவசாயத்தை மறந்து செயற்கை உரங்களினால் அதிக விளைச்சல் வரும் என எண்ணி மரபணு மாற்றப்பட்ட விதைகளை விதைத்து நாம் மண்ணை மலடாக்கினோம். பீஸாவும் பர்கரும் நாம் உணவு மேடைகளை ஆக்கிரமிக்க நாம் ஜங்க் ஃபுடுக்குள் விழுந்தோம். விவசாயி நோ ஃபுடுக்குள் விழுந்தான். ஏர் பின்னது உலகம் என்று வள்ளுவர் சொன்னது சத்தியம். ஏரை பின்னால் தள்ளிவிட்டு நாம் முன்னால் போக முடியாது. அந்த சேற்றுக்கால்களை வணங்கினால்தான் சோற்று பருக்கைகள் நமக்கு செரிக்கும். உணர்வோம், விழிப்போம். நன்றி.
தேங்க்யூ நயந்திகா. ரொம்ப நல்லா அருமையா இருந்தது கேட்கறதுக்கு. 2 லட்சம் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னீங்க. சம்பால வந்து இத்தனை வகைகள் சொன்னீங்க. வெரி இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவ். தேங்க்யூ நயந்திகா.
My name is Vijay. Today I am going to talk about my vision of agriculture in India. We know that India's agriculture contributes 50% of the India's GDP value. This includes that India ranks 2nd position all over the world in agriculture economy. The Ministries of Agriculture and Welfare was founded in 1947 and has an annual budget of $20 billion or 1.43 lakh crores. And also, agriculture is the main livelihood for more than 58% of the peoples in India. The number 1 state of agriculture production in India is Uttar Pradesh. And in a study proves that the farmer suicides in 2018 in India was 7.7%. This is because of some reasons, such as the burden, failure of borewells, failure of crops. And also, farmers are cheated by the middlemen by taking their innocence as an advantage by buying their crops for a low cost. So we should try to save the farmers from extinct because they are the backbone of our society. Thank you.
Srijay, time taken 1 minute and 7 seconds. Very good. Srijay, just one thing, agricultural economy la வந்து India, you told me, 2nd place. கரெக்ட்டா? Okay, first place என்னமா இருக்கு? First place யாருக்கு எந்த கண்ட்ரிக்கு வந்திருக்கு?
USA.
USA. Okay. இல்ல மேம். Thank you Srijay. Yes Nidhi, we are ready for you. All the very best dear. Your time starts now.
Good morning everybody. Today I am going to speak a little speech about some important aspects of our India. Have you heard this quote? The beauty of India, beauty of agriculture it is a culture. Agriculture is the blood of our motherland. It is important for economy, and 70% of rural households are dependent on agriculture. Agriculture is the most important part of India. India produces 80% of spices throughout the world. Most of them are saffron, wheat, etc. Most exclusive and valuable spices are saffron, which can cost about 1,800 each. In the golden days of history of agriculture is the golden history of agriculture.
Yeah, the golden history. What is the golden history, Nidhi? Yes.
The golden history of agriculture continued to flourish in the modern period.
Okay.
In India, in my opinion, this agriculture should be passed on for future generation for for a better life. In my vision, they should stop using chemical fertilizer 2,4-D, and other chemical products for a better agriculture and for better growth. Thank you and have a nice day.
1 minute and 58 sec. Thank you. Yeah, next participant. Okay, Sarvesh, all the very best. Your time starts now.
Hi, this is Sarvesh here to say about the topic, my vision of agriculture in India. What is agriculture? Agriculture is the science and art of cultivation plants. It is the backbone of India. India's economy depends on the agriculture. There are many types of agriculture. Shifting cultivation. At first, the farmer is change of cultivation in a particular place and shift to another farm after some months. Nomadic cultivation. At nomadic cultivation, a group of people stay and cultivate. After cultivating, they burn the crops and move from there. Mixed cultivation. There are many crops grown in a particular area, like corn and groundnuts at the same time. A sustainable substances farming. In this farming, it is only farmed for their essential purposes of their family. How plants are grown and how is agriculture did? First, turning the soil by tractors, adding manure, pesticides, cocoa peats, fertilizers. Do not use fertilizers. Rotating crops, harvested. After that, it goes on repeated. At a place, they will be changing the crops after some time and left open for some months. Thank you. This is my vision of agriculture in India.
Very good, Sarvesh. Thank you. Thank you so much. As you said, agriculture is both science and art. நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியறது இல்ல. சில பேர் அது சும்மா ஒரு கல்டிவேஷன் மட்டும் நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்காங்க. ரெண்டுமே பேலன்ஸ்டு நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. As you said, nomads பத்தி நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியாது. It's a great info. Thank you. Thank you so much. Superb. Time taken more than 2 minutes. Best, your time starts now.
Good evening to one and all present here. My name is Prakriti and today I'm going to deliver a speech on my vision of agriculture in India. Agriculture in India. So agriculture is the most important role of Indian economy. Agriculture consists of two Latin words, which is agar, land, and culture, cultivation. Two entire Vedic hymns, which are Rigved 4.57 and Atharva Ved 1.37, have a clear idea how enriched Vedic agriculture was. Vedic literature gives us also a clear idea of the developed agronomy. In India, a total of 159.7 million hectares of land is given for agriculture, which is the second largest after US. And the gross irrigated crop in India is 82.6 million hectares, which is the largest in the world. It is also recorded that India has the fastest growth rates. Mankind from an early age has been practicing agriculture, but now as the agriculture practices have been changed and it is much more easier to handle agriculture with various types of machines like combines, seed drills, tractors, etc. Many farmers still use the old method of cultivation, which also acquires a lot of labor. Natural calamities like flood, drought, rainfall, and etc. play a vital role in damaging the crop, and farmers have to then get loans in order to recover their crops, and the farmers who cannot afford it have to suicide at last. In my vision, India still has potentials to develop agriculture. You will be shocked to know that a total of 5,763 farmers die every year. This was the average taken in 2018. So as I said, in my vision, the agriculture in India can also be improved more, and it has still potentials to improve more. Farmers will be well educated. They must be well equipped with the modern agricultural practices,
They must be helped financially with the banks in order for not suiciding them, as I said. And I think that if agriculture in India is improved, it will play a major role in improving the economy. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you very much, Prakriti. It was a great speech. Mute yourself. Open பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Volume open பண்ணுங்க. Unmute yourself. Okay, ma. Great speech today. We had a very your speech when it's very informative, and you all had a very great vision. அந்த உங்களோட இந்த விஷன் வந்து ட்ரூ ஆகும் நம்புறோம். நீங்க ட்ரூ ஆக்கிருவீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறோம். கரெக்ட்டா?
எஸ் ஆண்டி.
எஸ் எஸ். லாக்டவுன்ல எவ்வளவு சிரமப்பட்டோம்னு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். இனிமே லாக்டவுன் வந்தாலும் ஃபுட்டுக்கு வந்து நம்ம கவலையப்படக்கூடாது. கரெக்ட்டா? பேசிக் நீடே அதுதான் இல்லையா? Okay, one is food, then shelter. What is the third one? Water. Food, water and shelter. Yeah, agriculturist irukanga, future agriculturist irukanga. Nalla census kutteenga. State பத்தி நிறைய சொன்னீங்க. Then India ஓட details குடுத்தீங்க. World ஓட place, then Indian economy, and then agro industry பத்தி கொஞ்சம் பேர் சொன்னீங்க. Thank you. Then it starts from the Vedic period till now. இப்ப இருக்க future பத்தி சொன்னீங்க. Was very informative. Very good. Okay, yeah, very good thought. Okay ma. Okay. Tamil speech Nayandika super. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்ததுமா. தமிழ்ல பண்ணது உங்க உச்சரிப்பு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. Independence Day சொல்லுங்க. Happy Independence சொல்லுங்க. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day.